Pondered the art of crafting mouth-watering stuffed meat rolls? Well, today is the day we dive into this culinary adventure. We're crafting succulent pork loin rolls stuffed with ham and cheese, a dish that's sure to be a hit with your loved ones. Let's get started. We kick things off by laying out a sheet of cling film on a chopping board. On this, we arrange thinly sliced pork loin steaks about 1 centimetre thick. Add another sheet of cling film on top and pound them with a kitchen mallet. This process tenderizes the meat and helps it expand. Upon removing the cling film, we season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now it's time to layer on the flavors. We place a slice of ham and a slice of cheese on each pork loin steak. The ham adds a savory element while the cheese brings a creamy richness. Next, we carefully roll up the pork loin, making sure the filling stays intact. This can be a bit tricky, but with a little patience, it's easily done. Once rolled, we secure the ends with toothpicks to hold everything together. In a hot skillet, we heat some olive oil and sear the pork loin rolls on all sides. This step adds a beautiful caramelization and locks in the juices. Once the rolls are nicely browned, we transfer them to a baking dish and pop them in the oven. We bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. While the rolls are baking, we can prepare a delicious sauce to accompany them. In a saucepan, we melt some butter and sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Then we add flour to create a roux and cook it for a minute or two. To the roux, we slowly whisk in chicken broth and bring the mixture to a simmer. This will thicken the sauce and infuse it with flavor. We finish off the sauce by stirring in some Dijon mustard and a splash of heavy cream. Once the pork loin rolls are done baking, we let them rest for a few minutes before removing the toothpicks and slicing them into thick rounds. To serve, we spoon the creamy sauce onto a plate and arrange the sliced pork loin rolls on top. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or chives for a pop of colour. And there you have it. Mouth-watering stuffed pork loin rolls that are sure to impress. Serve them alongside some roasted vegetables or a side salad for a complete meal. Enjoy. Now comes the fun part, the stuffing. On each steak, we place a slice of either cooked ham or York ham, followed by a slice of cheese that melts easily when heated. We then roll everything up, ensuring the stuffing is securely nestled within the pork. To prevent the roll from unraveling during the cooking process, we can secure it with a toothpick. Next, we embark on the breadcrumb journey. Roll the meat in flour, shake off any excess, then dip it into a beaten egg seasoned with a pinch of salt. It's crucial to ensure the egg completely coats the roll so the breadcrumbs adhere properly. Repeat this process: flour, egg, breadcrumbs. This double dipping guarantees a crispier end result and helps keep the stuffing in place. Once our meat rolls are ready, we pop them into the freezer for about 10 minutes to help the coating set. Then, we deep fry them in plenty of oil heated to about 180 degrees Celsius, using the toothpick as a handle to dip them in and out. After about 3 minutes, when they're golden brown, we remove them from the oil and place them on kitchen paper to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, delicious stuffed meat rolls that are sure to impress at any gathering. If this recipe tickled your taste buds and you're craving more culinary delights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Keep the culinary flame alive.